season. We targeted two guerrilla fronts, the Southern Front and the Central Front. Sabay. Kaso, nauna ang Southern Front. This first quarter of this year was declared as dismantled by no less than the Joint Security and Peace Committee na ginawa ng certified ng GPNP as well as the Chief of Staff na dismantle natin ang Southern Front. And so ang remaining na lang is Central Front. Yun ang target natin for the remaining. Ito, yung after na dismantle ang Southern Front, so nag-shift tayo sa Central Front for our focus military operations. And what happened, lessons learned sa Southern Front, after our successful operations, nag-surrender. Eventually, na-dismantle siya at nag-collapse. Dahil because of the relentless focused military operations, yung remaining armed group made na-realize na useless to fight. So, nagbalik sa mga pamilya nila, nag-surrender, nagbalik loob ang mga remaining ng Southern Front. And the families were happy. Actually, hindi sila, hindi na ako pagi na balik-balik, na-realize na ito ng communities natin. Now, useless naman ipapatuloy pa ang armed struggle. So, what happened in Southern Front, lipay, and they welcome the development na magbalik ang mga remaining members ng Southern Front sa aming pamilya. And through the tulong ng ICLIP to the task force, LCAP, na-provide na natin ng mga assistance. Now, dito na tayo sa Central Front. So, ginasulit naman, though we are not happy. We take no pleasure of these encounters that result to casualties. Kay both sides man, it may be on their side, sometimes in our side, government forces. So, sino malipay sila? Wala tayong nakalipay ang mga enkwentro nga mo. But sabi ko nga, but if this would be the only way to make them realize that fighting the government is futile and useless, and take the alternative of embracing the ICLIP programs of the government, so be it. Yun yung really welcome natin ng development. But we have to put pressure on them. Hindi na tayo pwedeng pabayaan lang na mag-lakat-lakat lang na, mag-extort, mag-terrorize sa mga communities. So this is a right-hand effort and a left-hand effort. But we prefer the peaceful resolution of this insurgency problem, which is they take the left-hand effort and take the programs of the government through the ICLIP. But for those who insist to fight, we will run after them, as sinabi nga ni Major General Siso, we will run after sa last na member na gustong lumaban. We are a legitimate force mandated by the Constitution to run after these rebels. It is our job. And we will finish the job. But kung pinakalipay naman na may kakapatay, kababayan mo natin, fellow Filipinos, why would we be happy to kill our own people? But they fight the government, and we are the legitimate force. So mas namin, and I'm asking the help of the entire communities dito sa Pinapanay to reach out for them and make, or convince them to go back to the folds of the law and make sense society. Enjoy the families, avail of the ICLIP program, so that we will all be happy. Wala tayong problema.